eggs! Eggs! Yay! Eggs! I like eggs! Wait, did you hide in there? Did you? Oh, did you hide any in here?
No.
Yeah, that would be kind of hard.
What the? There's two of these camels. What the? Why is one eye way down there?
I don't know. I got like a parrot like that. We're leaving. Well, well, we'll come back. We'll come back, okay? Let's go.
Wait, let's look to see if there's one we missed. Nope. I think we got him. Wait. Nope.
Flowers.